lights out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe
Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? Yo, can you hear me well? Let me lower the music a little bit. Let's go on the YouTube just to check the sound because I know my mic is very bad. I need to buy a mic ASAP. We'll buy a mic. Okay, let me just check something. Okay, we got some storage. Man, I'm not a big fan of this macro, guys. Check this. It's very bad. I need to buy a mic ASAP. Okay, the mic is decent. You can see the market is just pumping higher, guys. Not even joking. Like. Yo, good morning, macro trader. How you doing, bro? I've been watching the market here. Daily has opened high. Yo, Tamu, how you doing, brother? How you doing, guys? How was your day? Let's delete that now. Maybe you can keep previous week high. Let's delete the SMT. This one. So, I saw this daily open high, guys. Like the market just going higher, as you can see, and this day today, where is it? 18 open high instantly. I think we left a tiny gap here, did we? Okay, anyways. Anything, Tam. I'm looking for a good mic. Like I don't know. I'm just looking for a decent mic. Any type of mic. If you know one, just recommend it to me, bro. Because I really need a mic. We left a gap unfilled here. This new day opening gap. It's lacking sell side. It's lacking sell side here. So, good morning, Sharky. How you doing, bro? Couldn't sleep, bro. I'm finding the game feels like shit. It's so close. Bro, this is just the beginning. I told you, like, this year's ours, man. Don't worry. We'll achieve a lot of great stuff and a lot of great success. We're just starting, man. Just to get it straight to the point quickly because I'm late to the macro. We got this open end up, guys, and we got a low resistance liquidity run here with relative equal lows. We got an hourly devil's mark right there, or a 15-minute. Yeah, it's a 15-minute. Am I correct? It's a devil's mark, right, guys? Open. Oh, it's not. It's not by a point. Okay. Anyways, I'm watching these levels for reaction up here. Why did it draw it like that? This level here, starting from 75 there, which is an X 3.5 of this smart money reversal, the standard deviation. I'm looking for a reversal from there, and then maybe we can get some shorts. Let's put in prices. There we go. This is the next 3.5 level, okay? We'll be watching that as we trade. We got a 10 AM open high as well, guys. Okay. Yes. Got a 10 AM open high. Got super clean relative equal lows here. But I'm still not going to short this market unless they form a high here and I take a continuation trade right here. And if you ask me why is that, it's because basically all-time highs, when you're trying to catch longs, you'll keep getting stopped. You'll keep trying to chase shorts. You'll keep trying to call this high and then try to catch this short, and then you'll basically get stopped and stopped and stopped. This happened to me like a million times. So I have a rule where I never short all-time highs. I never short all-time highs unless it's a continuation trade. So for example, we form an SMT here at a logical level like this 3.5, and then they make a prominent high, swing high, and leave with displacement. Maybe then we can trade this continuation play right here. But if we try to call this high, that's wrong. Okay? You can try to do that. Maybe you can get away with some profits. But I think the market will always take it back. Because shorting all-time highs has never succeeded in my career. So I never short all-time highs personally, and I don't think you should. But if you feel like doing so, just do it, you know? Don't let me hold you back. if you feel like that's your strengths, being a contrarian trader. Because we also got SMT/UZS. I know it makes sense to short and call highs, but trust me guys, calling highs... Okay, are we? I think the live stream froze for a second, but trust me guys, if you're calling highs, it's a losing game. It will always be a losing game, and I will never play that game. I've played this game long enough, made stupid mistakes back then. I don't want to repeat them, so you know, that's it. Yeah, we got a very nice SMT on this leg here, which makes it a protected low at a key level as well, which is the first presentation gap. RTH gap has been filled partially. We left off the CE here, we're rejecting the 50%, showing strengths, failing to close below, and macro open low. It would be nice if you continue lower here into this discount, and then maybe we can take another bar. But tell me what you think, guys. Yeah, it's very choppy. I agree, Sharpie. Very choppy. I'm not even like a big fan of this macro, as I've said, getting on the stream. Watch out, guys. There's relative equal lows here. Don't try to long that. What do you think of the market, Sharky and Tamu? Macro trader, what do you think, guys? Let's look at gold for Tamu. I know he's trading gold, most likely. Man, gold is acting off the premium here. Do you think gold is gonna see lower prices, guys, in the future? It's very interesting because I was talking this over this with a friend of mine. I told him I want to see gold respect this premium SIBI and deliver lower, make new lows into this low resistance liquidity run. Overall, like on the hard time frame, I think that's the play for gold personally, especially with this weekly SIBI. You can see how we're respecting that, you know. So I really want to see gold continue lower personally. Overall on the hard time frame, but intraday here we got engineered sell side, by the way. Damn, these lows here are not clean. These lows are not clean as well. Awful today, very choppy, Sharky. So sick of the... Yeah, man, me too. I saw your post about getting stopped, brother. It's okay, man. Like, these times pass and it happens to the best of us. I got stopped, like, by the new scandal. You saw it live, like, a few times already, so... I know how it sucks, man. Gold is very bearish here, in my opinion. We're respecting this 4-hour SIBI. We're closing inside of it. And we got this low, above this low, above these lows. All of this is basically engineered sell side. I think that's the move for world here. Gold is gonna go lower. Yeah, all good, brother. You're gonna make it back, man. It's no big deal. In the long run, this is just one trade for you, bro. I know how good you are as a trader, and I know how good you will perform. It's nothing like for you, bro. You'll make it back. It's interesting. You know what? Let's run this open to close. Oh no, run that. Okay, never mind, it's not working. My idea failed. Okay. Let's get back quickly to the 1 minute here. I've been playing around. Okay, did we sweep these lows yet? No, Shark, you're a great trader, man. And you deserve to win. I know you will. Like, especially guys with losses, don't try to take it so personal with these markets, because like losses will always be part of the game. Losses will always be here. You can't really. I know it sucks. Like when I take losses as well, it hurts me a lot. Because I don't want to lose. You know, we always want to win, but that's our game. That's what we're playing. We're gonna take losses. You just gotta think of a million trades or 1,000 trades. Does one loss matter? Like, it doesn't, man. I can just add 10 losses in my datasheet and it won't even affect my win rate. It will just affect by a fractal percent. And that's because on a large sample set, 1, 2, 3 losses doesn't matter. So don't blow your account over losses. Just keep following your system, keep doing what you're doing, and you're gonna win if you actually have an edge in this market. This market is made to actually play with our psychology more than our technicals, because on the technical aspect we can literally learn this market in a year or two. I believe you can really read this market and how it works, but on a psychological level it took me 6 years. So it's not even a joke, guys. Psychology is a game, man. But you gotta have an edge, of course. But psychology is really tough. Guys, don't try too long here, please. Please don't, okay? We're gonna come back here. I'll try to post a lot of videos for you guys on like on YouTube, like long videos as well, breaking down my thoughts, how I approach every trade, what goes through my mind, and the steps I go through. Like when do I check my checklist, when is it favorable, and when the conditions are not favorable, and how I deem the market as favorable market, and how do I deem it as a less favorable market. So I will go over that as well in these YouTube videos. I will try to edit them as much as I can, but the thing is, I don't have a lot of time to edit because, like, you know, I'm working, and after I come back from work, I'm streaming and trading all day, and after I'm done trading, I got a journal, so workout as well. So there's no time, you know, but I'm trying my best. Here we go, guys. Here she goes. Man, this is a beautiful boy. I think we're gonna cook with this one. Okay. Let's put some standard deviations here. Short of -2. Okay. It's good that we're short of -2. Come on, NQ. Come on. He took a short already on gold. Give me a second time. Okay, just yes, still has relative equal lows there. I'm not gonna long NQ here. Short on gold. Yeah, gold is going for these lows, bro. Like, these lows are gonna get taken. I don't know if it's now because I wasn't analyzing gold, but I know that these lows are engineered above this end dog, so these lows are gonna get taken otherwise on gold. You're actually in premium as well. It's a very nice short now. Just watch out from these relative equal highs here. But you also got relative equal lows, so let's see how it plays out, man. Just waiting for it to play out. Hard time frames all bearish. Yeah, everything is bearish, I agree. On gold. I totally agree with you. Wait a second, because NQ is cooking something. Yes, no. Guys, we're not taking this setup as well. Yes, relative equal lows there. Yeah. Nice, bro. Gold is super bearish, yeah. Just don't know if it is the best entry here. Could come up to tap this. Savvy. But your entry could be right as well. I don't want to take you off your trade. Hopefully it plays out for you, bro. Nice. Okay. I want to see EQ get tapped here. Okay, this my ISO is above that gap. Okay, amazing. Amazing if you have a big stop, bro. That's what I wanted to hear. That's amazing. I don't want to pressure you, you know. That's very nice, bro. I want a long NQ from here. I really want to see it come back down to this EQ first. But even though here's still following my rules, so I don't want to. Let me just double check my rules, guys. Yeah, cancel out the 15-minute already. Yeah, yes, tap the end dog, it's super clean, took out the lows. Nothing left to do in ES. So if we get an expansion here now, I would enter this trade. Focus on this trade. We got 50 seconds here. 26. Okay. About to get in this trade here, guys, in 20 seconds. Okay, guys. We're in. I'm in this trade. Our stop loss is below the swing low, and our first TP is right here, and then we're gonna hold the rest till 1 to 2. It's looking very nice. It's an amazing trade. A plus.
Order filled.
Thank you, Tam. Hopefully it's a TP, bro. We're gonna see. This is the first trade on this funded account. Hopefully this plays out. Let's go, Sharky. Hopefully it hits TP, brother. Let's see. Amazing trade. It's an A plus trade, guys. Like, I really like this trade. We're inside the 2-minute busy now. Great displacement on ES, thank you. Once we take that high, we can trail our stop loss. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Got a very nice 5-minute closure here, making a change in state of delivery. And 2-minute closures, waking outside this busy. Really liking it. Yeah, price action is not ideal. I agree. Completely agree with you. It's not looking great anymore. It's okay. Let's wait and see. Too deep of a retracement on ES. Hello Lunga, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream, man. Too deep of a retracement on ES. Don't really like that. Yeah, BA is terrible, man, these days. Yeah, it's all good, damn. It's all good. No stress, man. Once we take 1108 high, I will trail my stop loss to the current low, protecting my capital there. If we take that high, let's wait and see. Yeah, longer, man. Like, what has been happening in the market is crazy. Like, man, market just gives you an A plus setup and then it consolidates. I'm good as long as it hits TP, but we hate these consolidations, man. High resistance liquidity runs, you know. For no reason, market is super clean, to be honest. On terms of setups that it's giving and hard time frame order flow, it's readable. Okay, give me a second here. Okay, guys, I'm trailing my stop loss now to the current lows that's inside this fair value gap. Reducing risk. I see good expansion on ES. It's looking very nice. Give me a second. Yeah, I made a call, guys. Don't worry. I called the market makers for us, guys. It's gonna hit TP. Just got the confirmed news. Okay. Here she goes. Yeah. Every time I get a call during the stream, just know it's the market makers. Yeah, man. It's some insider trading stuff, guys. I'm a friend of parent Trump, by the way. Maybe not. I don't know about that. This guy is a billionaire by now, with his father just tweeting about oil. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Bro, you should bring Baron Trump on the stream, man. This guy got some money, bro. He can fund us. He can start a whole pro firm like a real one. He doesn't need to trade with us. Okay. Okay, there she goes, man. First TP is hit, guys. I'm moving my stop loss now to break even. I'm still holding here. We're holding till our 1 to 2 level. This trade was on a real funded account now. No valuations, nothing, man. First funded account was Lucid. After we lost the first one, this is my second account. Hopefully we can secure a payout together and then scale in with more accounts. Just don't want to get stop BE here. It looks like we will. Anyways, we're following our rules. If we get stop BE, we get stop BE. It's no big deal. Very nice. Let's check the 2-minute time frame here. I like to look at it right now. Okay. 2 minutes. Looks very solid for boys. But we got an unfilled fair value gap at our break-even level. Might get stopped break-even, then it goes in our direction. Other ways, we're gonna hold at break-even. If we get stopped, we get stopped. Okay. Really like this closure here, 15 seconds. It's a very strong closure. Well, very strong move here. The market. There's a low volume coming in, guys. Might get stopped at break even here, guys. We got relative equal highs above, so let's see the market actually go up here. Inshallah, bro. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, bro. This is, I think it will still go higher here, guys. I don't see any signs that we should go lower. I think we're gonna go higher here. This is all manipulation. Big volume coming in. If they want to go higher, they should do it now. Waiting to reach CE here. Okay, we tapped CE. Wanna see if this body will close below it. Perfect. Yeah, yes, must go higher, man. That's been lacking so long. For so long. Okay. This is all invalidated. We're about to get stopped at break even. This is the last rejection block you have. Last line of defense here. Tap CE. Let's see if there's a reaction here. This is the last line of defense. If we get a change in state of delivery out of that, closing above 1135 here, I think we are gonna go to these relative equal highs right here easily. There we go. Man, market is heavily manipulated right now. It's very, very heavy. Like, it's unreal what is happening here. See a busy form out of here if we're truly bullish. If we're not, then this is all manipulation, and we might see a short-term retracement or reversal, then a continuation back higher to these relative equal highs during 1150 macro. I'll prefer to see 1150 as a pulling macro higher, which would happen if we take out these relative equal highs prior to the macro, because we already have an SMR setup pre-macro. To be a very nice pulling macro. Yeah, it's not tradable. I agree with you, Shark. It's very hard. I agree with you, Long, as well. The price action is terrible. It's not clean to read. It's not even forming any displacements. You can see all of the candle bodies are within each other. There's no bases, there's no SIBIs. That just shows you that it's in a high resistance liquidity run. Or not in a liquidity run, just in high resistance without liquidity run. Let's sweep this out of the equation. There's no liquidity run here, it's just playing around. So I completely agree with you guys. Market is heavily controlled here, heavily manipulated, and it's failing to displace. Not a big fan of it. Just following my model, letting my runners run and my statistics play out. But you're definitely correct, guys, with today. It's a very hard day. Oh, look at this. Man. I think this can, I have a feeling this kind of stop us out. It's not beautiful. Yeah. It's awful, man. Look at this. Oh, she's melting. Right about to get stop break even. And I am. So we're stop break even on this trade here. My B level was right there, covering all of the costs and commission. So yeah, that was a beautiful trade, but got awful price action afterwards. So good. Let's wait 1150 macro here. Awful price action, man. But they left all of these relative equal highs once more. Like here. And they're going lower to discount. Okay, we're just gonna wait 1150 macro here, guys. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, bro. It's a very tough session. We secured one partial. I'm up half an RR, or a little bit more than half. But like, I just don't like this BA, man. Wanted to see it continue, to be honest. Gold is going lower. It took out the engineered sell side. Amazing. Bouncing off end dog now. Wanna see return to premium and then close below the end dog and then continue lower towards this Asia low here. Gold is looking very nice. Nice one, Tim. Nice one. Amazing. Thank you, brother. I'm very proud of you as well. Oh, okay. I'm gonna hit the toilet, guys, and take a quick break for this next macro. Get some water in because this water is empty, and it's not empty. Get something to eat quickly. Super hungry today. And I'll be back. I'm not entering pre-macro, so I'll be back in a minute.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah.
Man, they did us dirty, bro. Why is that? They did us so dirty. They went straight to TP. Is that what they wanna do? Let them do it, man. Yes, it was another call to market makers, but they did it without me this time. Very choppy market. I think 1150 would be a pulling macro. Let's double check hard time frames once more. Okay, recline this. Okay. Really want to see a return in discount here. And then can't take long here. That's the only plan for me. This is 1150 macro. If we don't get it, we don't get it. I don't think we will. Being honest with you guys. Okay. They're cooking, so let's wait. Gotta be detached to these moves. Even if they leave without you, you just gotta be following your model. I always remind myself that when I'm waiting for a trade here. I have a feeling that I'm afraid that it runs without me, but at the same time I don't wanna force a trade. You know, we gotta wait for our model to present itself. We gotta wait for what we studied. We gotta wait for what we backtested and studied and put the work in for. Because if we don't wait for it, then why did we even study? What was the reason for studying and staying up late and backtesting and forward testing? What's the reason? So right here, I'm just being patient, disciplined, waiting for my model, all of the checklists to check out, and then after everything is aligned, I can maybe look for a trade if it presents one. I will not try to force a long position here just because it is short of these relative equal highs, and I feel like it's gonna go higher. No, I'm gonna wait for my model to present itself, then we can actually start talking about a long. So let's check the hard time frames here. Hourly closure in 6 minutes. 10 AM has been pumping high. 30-minute closure outside the busy. 15-minute same thing. We got 15-minute wick here respected as well. Upper quadrant. 5-minute CISD respected busy. Order flow is bullish, as you can see. Same thing on the 3-minute. We got relative equal highs above. Now you can start looking for a trade. I'm just gonna wait for the order block here. Might be a late entry. But I think that's the right move. Gonna wait for this order block. I think I still will be using this candle because it's the biggest one in this series. We're gonna forward test that and see how it works. But my data is based on the consecutive candles, so we're gonna use that. So we got super clear draw. We got order flow supporting the idea and dealing range respected. We got full micro P3 signatures where we open low. And let's do some risk calculations quick. We got it ready. It's ready. So once we get a closure above this order block, I will get in this trade. One to one. That's your 1 to 2. Same level, almost the same level. So for the 1 to 2. Okay, we're about to get this closure in 33 seconds. Okay, no closure. No entry yet. We might miss the move here, but it's all good. I'm being detached of this. Even if I miss this move, I'm following my plan. That's all that matters to me. Being super detached here. Not gonna jump in random trades. Not gonna rush in just because I want to get in. I'm just gonna be ready. Once it closes above my order block, I will get in. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. I'm in this trade, guys. Okay, perfect. Gonna take 2 off and oh, strong beer volume. We're holding the trade here. Was looking at the previous day high, thinking yes might be the weak one, give us S&T, but I don't know. You might be correct, bro. I might be wrong here. I'm not saying that this trade is 100% correct. I still have losing trades, but I'm just following my model, you know. This trade here makes sense to me, following my model, so that's why I'm going for it. If it loses, it loses. It's no big deal for me. I'm just following my system, and I will call it a day. We're gonna end the day red. It's no big deal. Okay. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out, guys. We're stopped out. Okay. Great trade. Really like it. So good. We got stopped out there. Waited patiently for my setup. Relative equal highs at all-time high. So yeah, that was it for me today, man. Let's just watch the rest of this macro and call today. It's no big deal, just a losing day. We got the first partial secured in this first trade, which helped us reduce this loss. So if we get a re-entry during this macro, I might give it another shot. But yeah. See you later, Sharky. Whoa, look at this, guys. $16. See you later, Sharky. It's all good, brother. Man, this price action is just terrible, guys. But let's keep this energy going, man. It was a great day. Followed the plan regardless, even if it's a losing day. It is what it is, you know. Yeah, market is not very clear, and ES and NQ is very decoupled. ES is going somewhere, NQ is going somewhere. Markets decoupling is very hard. You know, the best clean was offered due NQ was just 1 hour before stream. I think that was the peak. 1 hour before. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but I was just like, you know, I couldn't really decide where the market wants to go with all of these lows here. So it didn't go for sell side, but it decided to run higher, which made it very less probability for me to trust longs. You know. I'm just gonna wait and see if it gives us this re-entry here. Might give it one last shot, and that's it for today. If it gives us a re-entry. This is the last macro I'm trading for today as well. About to get this re-entry trade. Stop loss plus swing higher, 25. Yes. Yeah, it's a very sneaky market, bro. About to try longs if we get this inversion. Do you think it would give us an inversion here? I think it would just run to the highs without us. Typical from today. Imagine that's your first day trading today. And you're seeing all of this trash price action. 22 seconds. Okay, it's gonna be my stop loss now. 10, 9, 8. Okay, I put again here. Okay, I'm in. We're in this trade one last time, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, if it was your first day, you're gone, man. You'll quit trading. It's a very tough day.
Order filled.
This market, this market is crazy, guys. It's the worst price action of the year. For real, this is the worst price action, guys. I'm not even joking. Worst price action I've traded this year. No man's land, all-time highs. Surprisingly, we're getting very nice closures on the 2-minute. I closed my trade at BE, was a winner, but I had big goals. I'm kind of sure that price won't deliver, so might go again for tighter targets, better entry. Okay, amazing one time. Hopefully this one delivers for you. Just watch out. You can see the price action today is terrible. When it's terrible today, you don't want to push it. You know, when you see this price action is already messy, you don't want to push it too hard, because pushing it too hard in these markets will just lead to either breaking down, like breaking your rules, or just breaking your accounts, you know. So just watch out and try not to overtrade. Personally, this is the last trade for the day for me. I took one extra trade today just because it's a re-entry. I don't want to let it go. Re-entries are part of my model, so I had to complete the first setup because it could still win with a re-entry. So I had to take it, but don't try to overtrade. If you're done for the day, like if you reached your limit, just call today and come back tomorrow. The market will always be here. We don't have to overtrade at all. Yeah, it's looking very bad for these longs. Inshallah, brother. This price action is a joke, man. For real. It's a real joke. Yeah. Not an ideal closure in the 2-minute. I think we're gonna get stopped here in a second. What's a retracement, man? This price action is crazy. If this busy fails here, it will be crazy. Yeah, look, I don't want to jump out as well, just because it's doing that. Because I know if it hits TP, I'll be mad at myself for jumping out early. So I'm just gonna hold it, and I'm gonna manage my trade accordingly. So if you take, like, I trailed my stop loss now here to this low. That's where my stop loss is. We trailed this stop loss. So just trail the stop loss to the current low, and we're gonna go break even once we take out these relative equal highs above, aim high. It's not ideal today, so I'm gonna be aggressive with managing risk. I don't even care. Failed to inverse this busy, which is a nice signature. Let's see if we continue running higher now to clear out the relative equal highs, which would move our, which then we would move our stop loss to break even. Whoa, look at this, man. Whoa. It's a crazy candle coming in. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I wanna believe, like, this is not the time to actually try to make some money. It's funny that I'm saying that and I'm trading it, but I've been caught in that. I could have avoided it if I noticed it early. But the problem is this was a re-entry for my first trade, so I had to take it because, as I told you, re-entries is part of my system and I have to take re-entries. Okay, there we go. I'm stopped. I'm fully stopped out here. Red day today. Oh, terrible day, man. Terrible delivery. Okay. Oh, I'm done, man. Took 2 losses on stream, got chopped up. It's all good. We got caught in this chop. We are gonna be back tomorrow. Here we got chopped. Got to journal these trades and get the lessons out of them. If I can learn a valuable lesson, of course we can from this. With these conditions, like, I really wanted to see this continue running higher, but it failed to. I should have, but let's not say I should have and I couldn't have. But anyway, I took this setup just because it was a re-entry, so this was a correct setup. We are below macro opening price. We had everything aligned. We have relative equal highs. We have low resistance liquidity run, 15-minute and 5-minute closing outside bases, respecting bullish order flow. Everything here was super clean for boys. It's just that we failed to continue higher because of the current conditions. It's all good. You will get stopped sometimes, and that's part of the game. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being here. It was a great day. Even so, we got stopped twice. It was a great day. We did, like, we managed risk accordingly. We tried our best, and that's all we can do. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, and I will see you tomorrow in another stream.